Hey guys, so this video is really about a little personal situation that I have been experiencing. As you can see, I have this boot on, and it's just so amazing how like we take the little things for granted. And I just wanted to have this video about like being grateful. Like I literally have like felt out of place probably for like the last month because like I only have like one foot, one leg. And I realized like how we just take the little things like for granted. Like, for example, being able to just walk on 2 feet. And I just wanted to like encourage and inspire people that feels like they may have not, completed some of their goals or their financial goals for this year to just be encouraged and be grateful for the little things, like the small things. Because when I tell you, like, right here, even me like doing this video right now, I'm like, I'm normally used to like standing up and, being in my living room, my other living room, and having a video to just like, as you guys probably noticed, I haven't did any videos because I'm like, how do I do a video? Like, I had to really like think outside the box and try to figure out like, okay, girl, like really like how are you going to do this? I'm not supposed to like be on my feet even though I have been several different places on my feet. That's probably why it's taking so long for this recovery. But what I really want to get to people out there that have watched my channel, that are thinking about investing, that is thinking about doing real estate, is to just be grateful for the little things, the small accomplishments. Um, like I said, I've had the hardest time trying to figure out how to maneuver with this boot on and just kind of like go at life as usual. And I had a monkey wrench in my program because I've never like had an injury where I literally like could not walk on my foot. I think it's probably from over exercising. I don't know, but I just wish it would heal. But I'm realizing that I have to sit down. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sitting down and I'm trying to stay focused. I just realized I have the shirt on, stay focused. So, two things as I close out this video is I just want to encourage and empower you to number one, stay focused and to be grateful for the small wins. You may have done some investments, you may have tried to do an overage and it just hasn't worked out for you just yet. I'm going to tell you, don't give up. Don't give up because I'm not going to even lie, you guys. Like, I literally wanted to give up like a month ago because I had this like little, mishap of my foot. And I'm like, there's no way. Like, it's kind of like when one thing like happens in your life and it's not expected, it's kind of like you have like this ripple effect and it takes a while to get back on things. I'm just so glad that I have a higher belief in God and faith, and I'm realizing that He pushes me through when I don't want to push. And so I just wanted to give this in video just to encourage and empower someone out there to just like keep pushing no matter what, and to just be grateful. I think like this whole experience with my foot has taught me to like, Mika, you better be grateful that you can even get up. Like, get up and walk, talk, see, breathe. It really has shifted my perspective on life in general. So I just want to encourage and empower anyone out there that you feel like you haven't pursued all your goals or achieved all your goals this year, to just be grateful for the small wins. That's it. That's all. Have a great week, I guess, and happy investing.